How good is that? I hate wasting food and I love eating berries. Here's the berry plot. These are boysenberries. Very prickly. So the berries are in there. All the easy ones have been picked, but there's kilograms in there that you could have. If I put my hand in there, I'm going to get scratched and I come up in a rash. We don't want to do that. This is what you need. You get a pair of these red gloves. Now these can be used for chemicals and all sorts of nasty things. Make sure they're new and haven't been used on anything else because they're going to be touching food. If you're right-handed, you cut the fingers off the right-hand one, leave the thumb a bit, that's cut off too. Don't do anything with the left hand. If you're left-handed, you do the opposite or turn them inside out. Now these are nice and heavy, so prickles won't come through them. So now we've got this situation. Left hand, that's for moving the branches away. Those prickles don't hurt me. And with my right hand, I can go in there and we can get the berries. Yum. So you get little clumps of them, and away you go. There we go. Don't waste a berry. Thank you. How good is that?